Hello guys, in this video we are going to change the charging port and the mic of the Samsung A21s. First of all, we're gonna use the heat gun, or if you are doing in home, use the hair dryer to take the back cover off. Use very thin tool and carefully lift up the back cover. Remove all the screws and finally take out the SIM tray. Now use the thin tool and carefully lift the back cover off. First disconnect the battery and then disconnect the fingerprint flex. Use heat gun, heat up little bit and take off the lower part of the flex. Remember to disconnect the blue wire that connects the upper part. Once old one is removed, put the new one on and connect the blue wire, the antenna wire, on the new board and put all the flexes back on. Put frame on it as well. Connect the fingerprint flex first and at last connect the battery flex. Screw it again. Use glue or double tape on the back cover and put it back on. Once it's all done, put sellotape around the corners and leave it for half an hour. Once it's get dried up. So guys, that was the procedure to change the charging port and microphone of the Samsung A21s. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks. Bye.